Chile's National Forestry Corporation, Conaf, announced on Thursday that it has opened an internal investigation to determine what went wrong after 5 tourists died in a devastating snowstorm at Torres del Paine National Park. The victims, 2 Germans, 2 Mexicans, and 1 British national, became lost near the park's Los Perros camp during a powerful blizzard that brought whiteout conditions and wind speeds exceeding 193 kilometers per hour, equivalent to a Category 3 hurricane. Chilean Air Force helicopters later recovered the bodies from the remote site, transporting the remains to the legal medical service in Puerto Natales for identification. The agency, which manages the park, said it will review how protocols were activated, how communications were handled, and how search, rescue, and evacuation operations were conducted. Magallanes District Attorney Cristian Crisosto said investigators will take statements from all hikers in the group, Conaf personnel, and employees from tourism company Vertique to reconstruct a sequence of events.
Hemos coordinado con la Brigada de Homicidios de la PDI que efectivamente no se deje de tomar ninguna declaración a ninguna de las personas que estuvieron en el grupo de excursionistas, pero también a las personas de Conaf, ¿cierto? O las personas de la empresa Vértice para poder recabar esa información para que nos permita rearmar la dinámica de estos hechos.
Conaf's regional director, Mauricio Ruiz, also acknowledged that no staff were stationed at the Los Perros crossing on the day of the incident because personnel had been assigned to polling stations for presidential elections. Torres del Paine, one of Chile's most iconic destinations known for its dramatic mountain peaks and subpolar forests, spans about 1,810 square kilometers and draws hundreds of thousands of visitors each year.